Hi, my name is Andrea from SenseFly. In this tutorial, I'll present you the eBee Ag. eBee Ag helps farmers and agronomists monitor and map crops to improve yields and reduce operating costs. It features up to 45 minutes flight time, up to 59 with the endurance extension. Combine this with a dual sensor, the Duet M, featuring a multispectral and RGB sensor, it makes the most efficient solution for data collection. Upon receiving your eBee Ag, the drone comes in a smart and durable backpack. The camera Duet M comes in a separate case, as well as the calibration target. The backpack safely stores all your equipment, including the ground station here in the laptop pocket. To open it, lay it down on its outer side. Upon opening the backpack, it reveals the eBee Ag central body with its camera, the Duet M, surrounded by all accessories required for flight preparations like the batteries, the charger and the ground modem. Just below the central body, we find the welcome guide informing about first steps to get started. And on the next level, we find the quick start guide and the spare parts like propellers, elastics and spare pitot kit. And here on the opposite side, safely stored and ready for action, the wings. When storing the wings, ensure that the larger winglets point upwards. And with this, you're ready to go out and fly your eBee Ag.